candle, tracer rounds here. I've got a question. I know these things have set things on fire before, so happy Halloween, guys. I think it's gonna light a jack-o'-lantern. We're gonna put a candle in here and we're gonna shoot it. I'm gonna shoot it through the back and see if we can light it on fire. I'm gonna have a camera angle on the front, seeing it catch on fire. And we're gonna do it first at 25 yards, and then we're gonna do it at 100 and see if we can make that shot, lighting the jack-o'-lantern candle with a tracer round from an AR15. All right, here we go. Will a tracer round light a jack-o'-lantern? We're about to find out. These things aren't real accurate. We just took some sighting shots. Hopefully, keep my fingers crossed and see if I can make the shot. Oh, no candle.
So here are several more shots of the pumpkin from the front side. We took a whole bunch of shots. You can just see that even though we hit it several times and we hit it right above the wick, we didn't get hardly any smoke or any fire to come through. We do hit the candle again in here. They're just all over the place at 25 yards. It's hard to even hit the pumpkin. There goes the candle right there. And it's just been a frustrating night. These rounds are so inaccurate. I would never use these as Trapistan ammo. I know a lot of people use them to direct fire. A lot of people do, you know, mix them in the magazines or have them as the last two rounds. But I would never use these in that way. I've been told maybe to use them just for fun. Plinking is that's all these rounds are good for. I've never used them in the military. You don't know if they're going the direction bad guy or not. They're so inaccurate. So you can see several more shots just come right through here. And we're going to end up tearing up the face of this pumpkin a little bit there. And trying to shoot where I got gasoline in the bottom of it. I'm just trying to shoot where that gasoline will light on fire. But it's just not happening. And this has just been a frustrating night trying to get this thing to light on fire. Got gasoline all in the bottom of it. No fire. Do have one tracer round that hits, and it just dives into the ground and burns right there, right in front of the ground. Yeah, I like that round. So these things are going off, and that's the only fire we got.
All right, we're back down to 100 yards now. Even though we couldn't light the candle, we got a way that we're gonna light this pumpkin and make sure it turns into a nice jack-o'-lantern on fire. So we're gonna shoot these tracer rounds again. It's almost dark. So we're shooting American Eagle tracer right there. Box upside down there. There you go. And we're shooting my Palmetto State AR15. Hopefully we won't need more than 3 shots, but I'll put 5 in there just in case. And like I said, I'm not exactly sure where there's a hitting, but I got a big target. It should hit. Here we go.
So we set that pumpkin up in front of some water jugs in the old pumpkin. You can barely clearly see the tracer round hit one of the water jugs. I decided to shoot afterwards.
All right, Chuck here from Alaskan Ballistics. And we couldn't get it done with just a candle, so we came out here on a different day. Beautiful day, no wind. All right, it's just gorgeous out here today. All right. Anyway, we've got a t-shirt of mine. This is one of the few t-shirts that was old and stained and I didn't cut up into gun cleaning patches. And then it's on top of a cup of gasoline right there. And so we are going to light this on fire with a tracer round. We've filled the pumpkin with gasoline and we've got this. It's snowy out here today. Had a little inch of snow or so, a little dusting of snow, so nothing should catch on fire, thank God. And we're gonna have the cameras from this angle, and we also put it in the back here, a place to shoot through. All right, Chuck here from Alaskan Ballistics. All right, gonna be firing the AR15 again, tracer rounds, American Eagle. This is day number 2 of trying to make this video work. We couldn't light the candles, so we're cheating. We're using a t-shirt with a cup of gasoline in the bottom, and the whole thing's doused in gasoline. So we're gonna see if a tracer round will set them on fire. We got a couple of different angles. Got a hole cut in the back to shoot through, and the flames will hopefully come out the front of the jack-o'-lantern. Here we go. Dead round. No fire yet. Got some smoke there. We got some smoke. Definitely smoking. These things are just all over the place. Clear. There. We got some smoke. Definitely smoking. Yeah, so we didn't catch anything on fire. We're gonna back off a little bit. We're at shooting at about 75 yards. We couldn't get anything to do at 25 yards. We did knock over the can full of gasoline and everything. This t-shirt's still soaked. So we're gonna try this one more time. And we've shot it several times. Those things are so inaccurate. I mean, I'm aiming dead center of this hole right here every time. And got the t-shirt over it with the cup of gasoline in there, and I'm aiming dead center over that hole every time, and I'm hitting down there at the bottom. I started aiming towards the bottom a little bit to see if I can hit that cup, and I did. We're just not sure if the tracers are turning on yet, and that's the bigger issue. So we'll see if we'll back up a little bit, see if these things, which are not accurate, will light up. Here we go. All right, here we go. Take 2. Hey, Alan B. Pro, do I look better with the face mask on? Still nothing happening. I hit the hairspray. Nope. No fire. How are we not catching it on fire? I hit that bottle of hairspray, I can see the bullet hole in it.
I have no idea, man.
Dang. Tracers are just not catching on fire yet. I don't know. Alright, well. We'll have to see. Let's go down there and check it out.
So I'm slowing this shot down and replaying it. You can see the tracer going right through the t-shirt there, right at the bottom.
Alright guys, you can see here that we hit the hairspray bottle. There's nothing setting off the thing. We don't understand it. We have tracer rounds trying to set off the thing. We got one more trick up our sleeves. Alright y'all, Chuck here from Alaskan Ballistics. I'm really frustrated with a hairspray bottle doused in gasoline, candles doused in gasoline. We can't get this pumpkin to light, so we got a 1 pound thing of tannerite in there. And this first round is going to be a Barnes 55 grain that I've sighted in with. I'm still hitting the target. I was able to hit the hairspray bottle and several bullet holes through the shirt and through the cup of gasoline. Nothing with the tracer rounds, just nothing. No flame, nothing. So we'll look on the slow-mo. Here we go. We're going to try this with the tannerite. Shook it up really good. Hopefully it's good. There we go, finally. Alright, it's been really frustrating here at Alaskan Ballistics. One night, can't get the candles to light. Next time, we can't get a cup of gasoline to light. We hit it several times with tracer rounds. Some of the tracer rounds were coming on right out of the muzzle, we saw it. So we're gonna just do 5 pounds of tannerite and call it a day. And there's a cup of gasoline behind it, give us a little flame too. So we got 5 pounds of tannerite, 1 cup of gasoline, and hopefully, this time I'm using a Barnes 55 grain. I don't have any tracers left, so Barnes 55 grain TAC X. I'm gonna aim right for that tannerite. That was kind of fun.
Trick or treat, we got tricked.